It's Sylvia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful earring you see here. To start with, I'll be using 8 seed bead yellow and 11 seed bead pink, and I have my jump rings here too and my earring hook, and I'll be using a beading needle size 9 and a fishing line .30 for this design. In this design, you can decide whether to use your jump ring or not. For this first earring you see here, there's no jump ring attached to it, but I'm going to show you how to attach the jump ring if you so desire. And if you don't want it, you just leave it like this. This is cute and unique. I'm very simple and light, and I'll be using my quarter for this design. So to get started, to start with this design today, I'm going to use my fishing line to pick 4 8 seed bead. I'll pick 4 of it with my fishing line, and I have it like this. The next thing to do, I will tie it. I'll just tie it. I'll tie 3 times to secure the beads. Make sure it's tight. After tying, this is what I have. So I'll use my cutter to cut out the excess. So once I cut it, this is what I have. Remember, if you're doing it, you can also decide, instead of using 8 seed bead for this part, you can also use your 11 seed bead, but a different color. It will still come out and give you the same thing. So you just have to make this in 3 places for one earring, but for the pearls is 6. You have this 6 of it. Then I'll keep it here. The next thing to do, now I have it. I have the 3 of it here already. As you can see, I made these ones before now. So what I'm going to do, I'll use my needle to pick one. I just pass my needle through one of it. Pass your needle like this, then you let it drop at the middle of your fishing line. So this way, this is what we have. So the next thing to do, I'm going to use my right needle to pick 10, 11, no, 10 of it. So I have 10 on my right. Then I'll use my left needle to pick 10 as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now this is what I have. You have this. And I'm going to use my right needle, pick one of this. I'll let it drop. I'll use my left needle and pick the other one, making it the 3rd one. I'll pick. When I pick it, this is what I have. So the next thing, I'm going to pick 10 on my right, 10 on my left, like the way we did before. One, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 on my right, then 10 on my left as well. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you drop it, you have this. So the next thing is I'm going to pick one 8-0 seed bead, then I'll crisscross with it. When I crisscross, I have this. This is what I have. So the next thing I'm going to pick 10 also, another 10 on my right, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 on my right. Then I also use my left and pick another 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I will let it drop. Then I have it like this. And I'm going to pick one 8-0, and I will crisscross it. When I crisscross, I have this shape. Then I'm going to do the same again. Pick 10 with my right needle. Pick 10 with my right needle, and also 10 with my left needle. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on my right. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have this on my left as well. Then I'll pull it. So this is what I have. Then the next step, now I'm going to pick one 8-0, then I'll crisscross with it. So when I crisscross, I have this like this shape. Then I'm going to pick, now I'm going to pick 3 on my right and 3 on my left. 3 on my right, 3 on my left. So when I drop it, I have it like this. So now I'm going to pick one seed bead, pass my both needle through it, then I'll pull it to the center. When I pull it, I have this. This is the shape I'll have. But if I want to add my jump ring, at this point, I just have to put my jump ring instead of the earring hook. But because I don't want the jump ring now, I'll drop it. Then I'm going to take my earring hook, this. Yeah, at this point, then I'll take it. I will take my 2 needles and pass it through it. I'll pass my needle, this, and the second needle through the same place. Then I will pull it. Once I pull, I have this. And I'm going to take my needle and pass back through. I'll take one needle, pass through this first bead and through the 3 we picked before. I'll pull it, and I'll take the other needle. I'll do same, making sure I pass through the first seed bead and through the other 3. Then I'll pull it. I'll pull tight. Make sure you pull tight when doing this design. So at this point, what I'm going to do, I'll pass my needle, any of the needle through this A2 here. Then when I pull, now I can decide to tie it. I don't need to reinforce much. What I'll do at this point, I'm going to tie this here. So after tying, I'll cut out this excess here. Once I cut it out, this is what I have. Your earring is ready. This is the two dangling. So go ahead and make yours. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to give a thumbs up. If it's your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so for more interesting videos. Share my videos, like them. And if you have any questions, just drop your comments. I will respond. See you next time. Bye-bye.